Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use our AI home design application. So if you really want to get inspirations and if you want to take help from this app, then you can get it. So you can see the couple of options here that you can use: interior redesign, exterior redesign, replace your an object of your space, and furniture search, virtual staging, stage transfer, and a lot of things. So this is not totally free. Like for example, if you want to, I'm just going to show you one point, this one interior redesign, and then you can upload your photos here and you can choose or choose template from here. Okay, for example, I'm just going to choose a template from this because I don't have any photos. So this, for example, this is your image. Okay, so continue now. Then now choose the type of room you want to design. Okay, so now you can choose which one your design. For example, I'm just going to choose for my dining room or something else, or maybe a living room, this one. So type here and you can see here, choose your preferred design style. So you can choose like which one you like, minimalistic, farmhouse, luxury, and a lot of things here, but not everyone is free, so you will get a few features are free. So I'm just going to choose the free one. Maybe it looks better, this one. So simply tap here and then choose a color palette to your room. So now you can choose the color palette. So just okay. So now in final step, like if you want to get this output, then you have to watch an ad, and if you get and if you want to get on this app, then you can watch an ad, and otherwise you can buy subscription. So I already watched the ad, so now it's processing. Just wait to get the final output. So here is the result. So like you can see, it's look pretty well, and what was the first one and what is the after editing. So you can make different. So this way you can get, and also tap on the save button, you'll get here the save to image, or you can publish it here.